Hi everyone, welcome to Club 648. My name is Apollo. Today we have a look at SUI on the Bybit chart. So what can we see here? I already made some daily levels and weekly levels on the chart. So we found support here at the moment, and we had also a diagonal line that we're trying to break out. So now we find some local resistance. And the reason that we find some local resistance, even when we try to break out, is because we have there a local point of control. I will show you that here now. So if we draw a fixed volume profile from this local range here, we can see we have the POC, the point of control, exactly where we find resistance at this moment. So we have to see that we can break this. If we can break the POC at $1.05, then we can see that the value area high is at $1.19. So the first bigger resistance is over here. Between, we got of course the two daily levels as local resistance. Now all depends a little bit from what Bitcoin is going to do. So we have to watch Bitcoin price if we break out to the upside or the downside. It's very important to keep a notice for that, especially when you trade altcoins. So what can we see more on the chart here? We got also a big horizontal channel. It goes way back actually. So on this channel, we see it's very well respected. Even when we broke out, came back for resistance. When we fell through it, went all the way to the bottom of this channel. So it was a very nice channel to trade. From the bottom back to the middle. So this will be also a local resistance. If we can break that, then we can go have a look at the next level. If we pull some pip levels from this high to the low, we have over here the 0.5 together with the middle of the channel, and then the 0.618 between $1.23 and $1.25. So that's actually two local levels to look at. What the price can do is, if we break here, the bit of the level, come back here, retest the bit of the channel, and then look for higher prices all the way to the high of the channel here. This is very important. We're still trading actually this channel that's been respected for a long time. Now we can also draw the fixed volume profile here from this top level to see where we have the value area low actually nice together with the top of the channel, a nice confluence there, and we have also a local POC point of control around $1.54. So this can be also a local resistance area that we have to keep in mind over here. So what we like to do here is trade level by level, always try to make the chart as clear as possible. So you have this range here, we have this range here, we have the total channel from the beginning, very well respected. And that way you can actually do technical analysis on altcoins and find levels where you can see a reversal or find nice entries for a long or short position. I want to thank everybody for the time. Please check out our free Discord. The link is in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.